Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pavoni Stradivari. I came into the shop because I hadn't been serviced in a while and I was developing leaks in several spots, notably the steam wand, or the steam valve, the sight glass, and the group head. So we just did a tune-up of the machine. We replaced all of the valves in the group head. Here's the valve. Here. This is a valve that was in the piston. This is the heating element valve. The heating element gasket, the sight glass, gaskets, etc. Including this piece right here, which goes into the group head. Yeah, we also replaced the actual guard for the sight glass. You can see here that it become damaged and discolored from the leakage, and I wasn't really able to clean it out. It kind of like penetrated inside of the material itself. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a little shot here. This is our test coffee, so it's not gonna be the ideal. This is just to demonstrate the functionality of the machine. Yeah, it's really runny because of the coffee I used. But that's about it. Thank you for watching.